Methanol is poised to take over as the dominant global fuel source as it continues to steal market share from traditional gasoline, diesel, and other fuels. To understand where the methanol economy is going, we need to review the significant historical events that contributed to positioning methanol as the fuel of choice going forward. Methanol gasoline blends have been used successfully for over 40 years across the globe. Methanol has achieved a number of significant milestones over the past 40+ years. In the mid-1970s, German automakers and oil refiners conducted small vehicle fleet trials of methanol gasoline fuels. During the 1980s, Germany selected M15 as the highest methanol content for use in vehicles with 1980s carburetor fuel systems and material compatibility. Also, in the 80s and into the 1990s, the state of California managed extensive methanol gasoline fuel programs. In 2004, some China provinces initiated commercial M15 market trials. As you can see, global interest in methanol has been building for years. Methanol has a multitude of end uses and demand varies in countries across the world. Here's a breakdown of the top countries in no particular order and their primary use of methanol. United States, motorsports fuels. Canada, waterfront vessels. United Kingdom, EN 228 low blend. Africa, cooking stoves. Iceland, M100 trials. Israel, M15 and power generation. Sweden, marine fuel. Denmark, fuel cells for vehicles. Italy, E&I and FCA joined using M15 and E5. Egypt, M15 trials. India, methanol economy roadmap. Australia, GEM fuels. And China, M15 to M100 boilers and cook stoves. Of the 80 million metric tons of methanol sold globally in 2018, 40% was consumed as fuel source. Methanol blended with other fuels such as gasoline has many benefits. When used in spark ignition engines, blended methanol fuels result in higher fuel efficiencies by increasing the knock limit. Methanol, with its much higher flame speed, allows for tighter combustion control and more precise torque management. Improving knock performance is important to help avoid undesired detonation while also allowing for highly effective recovery of energy from exhaust heat. Methanol has inherently lower emissions of nitrogen dioxide and particulate matter due to its low temperature combustion properties. Furthermore, the atmospheric reactivity of methanol is recognized to have lower ozone forming potential compared to the olefins and aromatics present in gasoline. Increasingly stringent emissions regulations combined with a surge in demand for clean fuels is driving significant demand for methanol-based fuels and garnering serious attention for methanol as part of the solution to global climate change. GasTechno is looking to contribute to the methanol economy by marketing exclusive country-level licenses to its patented single-step gas-to-liquid mini GTL process. The GasTechno process is designed to convert methane-containing gases directly into commercially saleable methanol, ethanol, and formalin with up to 70% lower cost and at smaller scales than traditional GTL or small-scale methanol technologies. GasTechno's mini GTL plant converts $9 to $12 barrel oil equivalent (BOE) associated gas into $70+ BOE fuels and chemicals at the well site. While traditional NGL systems recover up to 25% of the associated flared gas volume, the combined GasTechno NGL GTL solution recovers up to 89% of the associated gas. This creates additional cash flow and economic value from formerly wasted resources, bolstering return on capital employed for their customers. For those interested, please contact Walter Bridenstine for more information.